guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you today. I'm in Concord, Virginia, the main branch, and we're mowing today. Back with Russell again. We've got a 652R stander in there. This is a John Deere Z960M, and this is a John Deere Z960R. Inside the trailer here, we have two 21-inch Honda self-propelleds. We have the 652R stander. We have a HL94 and a HS81T. Some lubricants and things. Oh, we collect all the trash. Our edger right here. It's an FC95. We have an FS111 trimmer. In fact, speaking of trash, sorry guys, had to put the mowers in real quick. Get it Dan out of here safely. A little tight for a 6'5" guy like me. See, we just barely fit. How you doing, Miles? I believe, guys, this is an 8.5 by, I think it's either a 18 or a 20, I'm not sure. Enclosed trailer. Got a old BR 550, brand new 600. They still think I'm crazy for vlogging. Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. Mowing this hill with the quick track behind me. Pretty much done. I went all the way down to those trees at the very end there. This thing is steep, guys. It is quite steep. The quick track has held on pretty good though. I've only really slipped down a few times. See that or not? It's pretty steep. I'm gonna go ahead and mow the last section for you guys.
so much.